I did not have a strategy of where I should be going as far as how to reach particular customers, or how to signify which are my customers that I should be going with. Mm-hmm. I also did not have the audacity to ask for a higher price. After working with you, I was able to request and be comfortable with that request as far as my pricing. I say definitely to take the opportunity to work with you to get a step-by-step plan on what is valuable in their business, what really works for their business. And if they are still on the fence and they're not sure, just do it anyway. I feel like an empowered African-American woman, businesswoman that will continue to strive to be better than what I was. Someone who's not going to let the obstacles stand in my way.